consider the binomial expansion. This showed that b equals 21. Okay, guys, you can nearly expand this whole thing out because it's just to the power of 7 and the numbers are not difficult. I think that might actually be the best way to do it, but I'll do it the kind of way that they expect you to do it. So to show that b equals 21, well, this term would be our, well, it will be our 7 choose something. X has to be to the power of 5, and then 1 would be to the power of 2, and then it would be 7 choose 2. So this is equal to bx to the 5. That's our that is our term in x to the 5 of this expansion. Now 7 choose 2 is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 2, which is 5 factorial, times 2 factorial. 7 factorial over 5 factorial is actually 7 times 6, because the 5 factorial will cancel with the 5 factorial in here. And we have 7 times 6, 5 factorials cancel, over 2 factorial, which is 2. 7 times 6 is 42, divided by 2 is 21. Okay, so that's 21. Hence, 21 x to the 5 equals bx to the 5. Therefore, b has to equal 21. Okay, that's how he wants you to do it. If you expanded out the whole thing, guys, you'd also get it right, and perhaps it's easier to do. Okay, the third term of the expansion is the mean of the second term and the fourth term of the expansion. Find the possible values of x. Okay, so we have the third term, which is 1, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this third term is the mean of the second and the fourth term. Okay, so the second term, so what is a? Again, if you expanded this out, you'll see pretty quickly, guys, a is equal to 7. You can do that from Pascal's triangle, or it's actually 7 choose 1. So 7 choose 1, which is 7. So a is equal to 7. Then it says the mean of the second and fourth term. So the mean, I'm going to add them, ax to the power of 6 plus 35x to the 4. I'm adding the second and the fourth term. And actually, guys, a, I know now, is 7. So 7x to the 6 plus this divided by 2, because I'm getting the mean. So add them together, divide by 2, has to equal the third term, which I now know is 21 x to the 5. And I basically have to find x. Now these x's cancel, guys, and I can multiply across by 2. So I'm going to divide everything by x to the 4. So this gives me 7x squared plus 35 equals, I'm going to multiply by 2 as well, 42x, because I'm dividing by x to the 4. So now I have a quadratic. And actually, guys, let's divide by 7. I can divide everything by 7. So it's x squared plus 5 equals 6x. Let's go x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. Factorize this. This is a nice factorize, guys. It's just x minus 5 and x minus 1, because minus 5 times minus 1 is 5, and minus 5x minus 1x is minus 6x. This equals 0. Therefore, x minus 5 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 5, or x equals 1. It says the possible values of x. These are the two possible values of x. Okay, that is question 5 and 6.